Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have kind of a weird setup because we are attempting a pack with me type of video because I am packing right now to go to South Africa, and so this is no small endeavor, don't get me wrong. But I'm gonna try and document this as the best that I can because I do feel like I have some good tips and tricks on how to pack, so I don't know, let's give it a shot. So usually my bathroom door is closed, but today it's open because I feel like I'm going to be running back and forth. And so this is my bathroom. I'm going to start doing my face wash first. This is a Purity face wash. I really wanted to bring my alkaline cleanser, but I just felt like the packaging wasn't super duper travel friendly, and so I just feel a lot more comfortable with something that has like an actual cap that can be shed as opposed to like a pump that has like a cap to go on top of it. I'm just filling out this 4-ounce Purity cleanser bottle with my like large Purity cleanser. I just do this because I so much prefer traveling with a small one. This is not TSA approved because it's 4 ounces, but I do have another bottle that I just bought at like Target, I think, and it's like pink and it's under 3 ounces, so I can put that in my carry-on. But for now, this is gonna go in my toiletries bag, and I will show you that. This is my toiletries bag. I just bought it from Ulta. I love these because it's waterproof, and so if something spills in here, it's not gonna affect the rest of your baggage, and so I really appreciate that fact because I have really bad luck with things spilling in my bag. I just realized I've never peeled this off, and I've used this bag so many times. So that's that's going in here. What else I'm packing is my Paula's Choice makeup remover. I don't plan on wearing a ton of makeup, but I am going to teach a makeup seminar class, so I'm going to pack that for use there. Definitely going to pack my Lush No Drought Dry Shampoo. Also packing my Simple Micellar cleansing wipes, and I'm just going to kind of like flatten it down and get all the air out. Actually, I don't think I'm going to pack them in here. I think I'm going to pack them in my carry-on because these are nice to have for like in-flight skincare, so I'm going to wait to pack that. Definitely going to pack my new Miss Med Skin Protective Lotion. This is my absolute favorite body lotion, and then also its little sister here is the Skin Protection Balm, which is just like a thicker version. Both of these are sold on Sorel Care on Amazon, and so you can use my discount code SEKAYA10 for 10% off if you want to pick up either one of these. These are just great to have for dry skin, so I'm definitely going to pack these. Also going to pack a travel size thing of the Briogeo Rosarco shampoo and conditioner. These are just nice to have. I'm also going to pack like a travel size bottle of my normal shampoo, but this is just nice to have because I'm never going to use this anyway, so I might as well pack it while I'm traveling. Definitely going to pack my little Beauty Blender solid cleanser that I got as a point perk at Sephora. Now we're going to dig into my new products. So I'm definitely going to pack my Rosarco leave-in conditioning spray. I specifically bought this for the purpose of packing to travel. The way that I pack is I kind of lay everything standing up because I feel like that's just the most efficient way, and then on top of this you can lay stuff on top, so I feel like this is the most efficient packing. These hand creams from Sorel Care are definitely going in my carry-on, so I'm going to put these aside. Also going to open up this agave lip mask thing and pack the lip mask because I love this lip mask. This is going to go in my carry-on, and then I'm also going to bring the lip scrub, which I'm going to put in my toiletries container, and then I'm also going to pack the lip balm, which is going to go in my toiletries container as well. So now this is empty. And you know what? This would actually be really nice to use as like a first aid kit for like band-aids or something, so I'm going to set this aside to use for that. I need to grab another container to do makeup. Alright, so here is my second container, and I actually found my roller ball of lavender essential oil, which I like to use on my pulse points to just kind of help calm me down and stuff. I am not a nervous flyer. I fly really well in my opinion. Like, I'm a very experienced traveler. Traveling doesn't make me nervous, but this is just nice to have because I love the smell of lavender. So this is going in my carry-on. Now I have this empty container that I can pack my makeup in, and so I'm gonna pack my other boy brow because I'm almost out of my current one, so I'm just gonna pack the boy brow just to have. I'm also packing some extra contacts because it's always good to have extra contacts. I'm digging through this container right here because a lot of the stuff from my like new skincare I specifically bought for the purpose of traveling to South Africa. So I'm also gonna pack, I don't know, 2 of my egg cream masks. I'm gonna stick that in my toiletries bag, just like slide it in right there. Okay, so I just adjusted the camera a little because all my makeup is stored here in these containers, and so I'm just gonna pull out this entire drawer. so that we can pack. So I'm probably gonna wanna bring my foundation that has SPF in it. This is a NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I'm gonna make sure that it's capped. I'm gonna lay it down flat inside my container. I have to bring my cloud paints. I freaking love my cloud paints. Again, make sure they're completely capped, and then I'm going to stick them in here. I'm gonna bring my Cover FX Enhanced Click Highlighter in Bubbly. This is my favorite highlight, and it's super, super tiny, so I'm glad that I bought it because it's really tiny and easy to travel with. Generally, when I travel, I like to bring stuff that doesn't need brushes and only can be applied with like a sponge or like my fingers, just because I really don't like traveling with brushes. Like, it's kind of fussy. I am going to bring my Laura Mercier Candle Glow powder because this is my absolute favorite setting powder. Okay, so the thing with compacts and how I pack them is that I will lay them up like this and pack them stacked so that I can actually put more compacts. I just find that it travels a lot better than laying them down flat lengthwise in a travel container. As for concealers, I'm going to bring my Makeup Forever concealer. I'm also going to bring my Cover FX Peach Concealer because I did have that one. I love this foundation, but I'm not going to bring it because it has glass packaging and I am scared of it breaking, so I'm just not going to bring it. Okay, so now as far as eyeshadows go, I need to swap some stuff around in here, so I'm going to do that now. Alright, so these are the eyeshadows that I have elected to bring with me to South Africa. I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Banana Powder. All of these are Makeup Forever except for this one in the corner. This is a MAC eyeshadow, and then these are two Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadows. The MAC shadow I bought a really long time ago when I wasn't doing the BDS boycott. So I have 3 shimmers, 1, 2, 3, and they're all like pinky golden shimmers, and so I think that's going to be the most flattering on all of my family members because, like I said, I'm going to be teaching like a makeup seminar class to them, so I'm trying to bring eyeshadows that I think will be the most universally flattering. I'm bringing my beloved Makeup Forever Cinnamon eyeshadow. I have this new kind of like this new brown eyeshadow that I have really actually been enjoying a lot. I'm bringing Wine eyeshadow, this really, really dark gray color. Like I said, my Anastasia Banana Powder, and then the MAC eyeshadow. And this is a great size because I can just slip it in the back right here and have it sitting up. I prefer everything sitting up. I think it just lays much better and allows you to pack more stuff. All right, let's continue packing makeup. Out of all of these, I don't know. I just feel like I don't want to pack compacts because I am just terrified of compacts breaking, so I don't think I'm gonna pack compacts. So I'm realizing that this is going to be a huge mess with like all of these pencils and mascaras floating around. So I'm actually going to put them in baggies, and I think it'll fit. Oh yeah, these will totally fit. I'm going to stick them in baggies so that I know what everything is. And I think that's it for makeup. This is everything I have so far. I don't think I'm gonna add that much more besides lipsticks, which is going to be a process. Okay, so basically I have opted to bring lipsticks that I wouldn't be mad about losing, except for the Marc Jacobs Stretch Blush. I would be very upset if I lost this. But basically, whenever I'm going on like big trips like this, and I know I'm not wearing like a ton of makeup, I just bring lip products that I think I'm gonna wear the most, but also I like wouldn't be super upset if I lost them. Whoops. If I lost them or they got stolen. So I'm bringing NARS Get It On Power Matte Lipstick. I'm bringing 8 by Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in the color Chutney. Bringing my Glossier lip gloss. I'm bringing my travel size Bite Beauty lipstick in the color Verbena. I love this one, by the way. Bringing Marc Jacobs Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. Also Marc Jacobs Shush Blush. MAC Whirl, which I bought a really long time ago. And then my favorite lip pencil at the moment, which is the NARS Precision Lip Liner in the color Vents. So those are all the lipsticks I'm gonna bring, and then obviously I'm gonna bring my Dior lip balm, but that's gonna go in my carry-on. So now that I'm looking at this, I think I can actually transfer this to a much smaller bag. The thing with packing is that you wanna pack everything in the smallest container possible, because then there's less room for it to jostle around and move and hit up against the walls of everything. And so I'm actually gonna transfer this to a smaller bag. I have a quick tip for how to pack breakable eyeshadows or even compacts. So I'll show you with compacts first. So for example, say I wanted to take my Makeup Forever bronzer, but I was scared about it shattering on the way because it is a pan like this. What you can do is take clean cotton rounds and pack the compact so that pressure is created. So I'm gonna put 2 and see if it fits. And it does, and basically what it's doing is providing enough cushioning on the inside so that if it were to be hit really hard, the kind of like cushioning of the cotton rounds helps absorb some of the shock, and hopefully your eyeshadows or your compacts won't break. And of course, use clean cotton rounds for doing this. And so you can do the same thing with eyeshadow palettes like this. I'm just gonna put 2 or 3 in here. And then it's not really closing all the way, the magnetic closure isn't quite closing, so I'm just gonna use a hair tie to secure it, and this hopefully will really help my eyeshadows not break in transit. And I'm gonna put all my makeup in this little container right here. I do like this one because it's kind of padded, so that's pretty cool. So for my Laura Mercier setting powder, I'm going to put 2 cotton rounds and seal it so that it helps cushion the powder. And voila, everything fits. So that's gonna go in my suitcase right now. Well, I'm back and I went out to run some errands. I met a subscriber, she was so cute. Alicia, if you're watching this, it was really nice meeting you. You were kind of in the middle of something, so I don't want to interrupt, but it was really nice meeting you. Okay, so now we're gonna pack some skincare, and so I took out my entire skincare drawer from over there so that I have everything that I could possibly want to pick from. So we're gonna start with moisturizer. So moisturizer that I'm going to use, just because it's the most portable thing I own, is the Paula's Choice moisturizer, so that's going in here. As far as acne medication goes, definitely gonna bring my Clearasil benzoyl peroxide. I always break out after plane rides. I don't know why, but I just always do. I definitely know I'm gonna be needing that. As far as acids go, I'm gonna bring my Ordinary 2% salicylic acid and my Paula's Choice glycolic acid. For skin lightening treatments and doing kind of like targeted work on hyperpigmentation, I'm gonna bring my Vis Viva Skincare Retinol Palmitate and Frankincense Oil Serum. This is something new that I'm testing out, and you're probably gonna see more of it because I really like it. Basically, it has boswellic acid, which is something that really helps with hyperpigmentation. So I've been testing this out. I tentatively really like it. I'm gonna bring another one of the Agave Bite Beauty little lip balm dealio. I should put some on right now, actually. Absolutely gonna bring my Worker Bee Dusk and Dawn serums. I love these little guys. They are just the freaking best for hydrating my skin. For sunscreen, obviously Josie Maran SPF 47. I'm not gonna bring any vitamin C because I'm using that Retinol Palmitate Frankincense product from Vis Viva, so I'm not gonna bring these. However, I'm definitely gonna bring my Ordinary Rosehip Seed Oil because this just really helps my skin stay really hydrated and plump. And I think I'm also going to bring my Paula's Choice SPF 30 because this one is really, really matte, and I anticipate that South Africa is going to be a little more on the hot side because their seasons are like inverse of ours. So it's our winter time, so it's their summertime. I don't think their summertimes get that hot compared to where I live right now, but I'm still going to pack this because I know we're going to be taking a lot of pictures, and maybe I just don't want to look like a grease ball. And also just because I have a travel size soy face cleanser, I'm going to bring this as well just because I have it and I need to use it up. Alright, so there is all the skincare that I'm bringing with me, and yeah, that's it. I'm going to start packing my clothes. So basically I have a huge pile of clothes over here, and so you're just gonna see a really nice time lapse of me packing. Okay, so I have packed, I think, as much as I'm gonna pack today. This is a work in progress, but I thought it would be cool to show you kind of like how I pack and how I do these things because I do travel really often. Yeah, if you want to see the inside of my bag, I'll show you. This right here is a jacket, and then I like to roll all of my clothes because I just feel like it fits a lot better. And then there's my makeup case. My toiletries bag is still chilling somewhere else because I need to put some other stuff in it. But yeah, that's it for my bag. So that's it for me just for today. Thank you all so much for watching and spending this time with me. Wish me luck as I embark on a very long journey to South Africa. Hopefully I can get some really cool photos and stuff. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to see all of the cool things that I get up to in Africa. We're going to spend a lot of time with family, but we're also going to do a little bit of sightseeing, so it should be cool. But yeah, until my next video, have a beautiful week and I'll see you then. Bye.